Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add friends on Steam. So I'm just going to go to my name here and I'm just going to go to friends. Then you are going to click add a friend here. So this is my friend code and you're just going to enter your friend code, enter like your friend's code here, or you can share this to them and they will be able to add you, or you can send a quick invite here. And each link can only be used once and automatically expires after 30 days. Or you can even try searching for your friend's name here to add them. Here you can view blocked people recently played with, followed players, followed games, etc. etc. That is how you can add friends on Steam. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!